Hey, let me show you camera tips and tricks for the OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite 5G. So first of all, I want to show you the high resolution mode. So if you like to take the photos and get a lot of details, you can actually do this in the OnePlus because we can find here the high resolution mode. So I'm gonna show you the small comparison with this coin, for example. So when I take the photo of this coin with the 50 megapixel mode, and then I'm gonna do the same without the 50 megapixel mode. There we go. Let's take a look if we can actually find some comparison. So take a look. That was taken with the normal photo mode, and we can actually find here a lot of details, right? But when we switch into the 50 megapixel mode, we will be able to find definitely more details, and we can also zoom in much closer. So as you can see, we can find all of these scratches on the surface of this coin. But on this normal photo, there's definitely less details. Next tip that I want to show you, let's go back. It will be here, and it will be actually the dual view video mode. So in this smartphone, you can actually record videos from the two cameras at the same time, from the selfie camera and from the rear camera, just right here. You can also change theme, so we can get, for example, this selfie camera in the right upper corner as a bubble, or as this second shape. And you can also switch this main camera to this right upper corner by clicking here. There we go. So it's pretty cool if you want to show someone something that is in front of you, but still also get some your face expression, for example. Now, when you like to take the photos but you want to zoom in, you can of course do this with your two fingers, but in my opinion, it's a little bit better to click and hold here and use this slider. So now you are able to zoom in only with your one finger. Take a look, and it looks really smooth. That's, by the way, the zoom, the 10x zoom on the smartphone. That's the stabilization. It looks really nice. Also, if you are taking the photos and you want to change the look of the photo, we can just click here and you can actually add some filters. As you can see, they are changing the color and the temperature of your preview. So we can find here a lot of different presets. Now we are going into the settings, so we can click here, and now we can find the interval shotting. So you can actually take, for example, you have to select the number of the photos that you want to take. So I would like to take, for example, 10 photos, and I want to take photo every 1 second. So when I set it up, I can click, and now my smartphone is going to take 10 photos, and every photo will be taken every 10 seconds. So it will be useful definitely when you are taking, for example, the group photos, right? So you don't have to manually click each time or set the camera timer for only one photo. You can do this for 10, 15, or even 20 photos. Next, when you go into the settings, we will be able to find other options, like, for example, shotting methods. So we can take the photos by clicking on the screen or by showing the palm of our hand. And it works like this, that when you turn into the selfie camera and show the palm of your hand, when it will be detected, the photo will be taken. But by the way, the interval shotting is actually turned on, so probably I have to just get rid of it. There we go. Now let's try to do this one more time. The selfie camera, I'm showing the palm of the hand, and now as you can see, it works. The photo was taken. And also you can take the photos by just clicking on the screen, and now your smartphone is going to automatically adjust brightness, exposure, and focus. And the photos looks pretty nice. We can find good amount of details, nice vivid colors. In the next step, we'll also go into the settings, where we'll be able to find the quick launch function. So when we double press either volume button, we'll be able to launch the camera when the screen is off. So we have to turn it on, go for the settings, accept this camera permission. There we go. And now let's check if we actually turn it on in the settings one more time. Yeah, we have to actually turn it on one more time. And now take a look when I'm gonna lock the screen and then double tap on the volume up button. I'm gonna quickly turn on the camera. There we go. Also, you can record videos here. That's pretty obvious, like on any other smartphone, but when you're tapping right here, you are able to lower resolution. If you want to save some space on your phone, you can actually record in the 7020p and the 30 frames per second. Unfortunately, the 4K is not supported here. And the last really useful option there will be definitely the camera pro mode. So right here you can find you can control every parameters like shutter, exposure, focus, white balance, or for example ISO, and here you can find the short description of every parameter. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.